Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on another look number 2, actually using the Sinful Color Shade Boss singles that I found at the Dollar Tree. If you guys have been living under a rock or haven't been to the Dollar Tree in a while, definitely go check it out and pick you up some of these Shade Boss eyeshadows. They're really good eyeshadows. So let's get this started. First off, we're going to start by priming our lid. We need some loose powder to catch fallout. The first shade we're going to use is Volatile, and it's like a coral shade, and I'm using that as a transition and crease color. I'm going to windshield wiper that in messily. Just going to keep working that in the crease, build that shade up, build it up. These eyeshadows are so nice, you guys. I cannot talk enough about them. You get 2 of them for $1. What's not to love? So next up, we're taking this LaColors Mermaid Shimmer eyeshadow pencil, and the names of these will be in the description box below with the list of products. And we're just going to apply that on the lid, blend it out so our next eyeshadow has something to adhere to. Not that it's not pigmented or anything, but sometimes they just need something to grab onto. Now the next shadow is called Lusty, and it is a very beautiful gold. Very beautiful gold eyeshadow. These are very shimmery, some of them, very nice metallic shades, and this gold is definitely one of them. So we're just going to pat that on our lid and make sure that it's adhering to the base that we laid down. And we're going to blend the crease color with the lid shade there. Give it a quick blend. Next shade up is a beautiful burgundy metallic shade, and it's called Strut. Now I'm taking this on a pencil brush and a pretty stiff, dense pencil brush because we're going to pack this shade in our outer corner just to give the look a little bit of depth. I liked how it was before, but it needed something else, and it was just needing a little bit of depth. And this was the perfect shade. It really tied in the coral shade and the gold, and these eyeshadows, in case you haven't noticed, blend very nicely. They blend effortlessly. Nothing to them. Once again, 2 for $1, you guys. If you can find these, you definitely need to pick them up. I am currently going to be working on my 4th look using them. I like them that much. Now, for our highlight, I just picked up the NYX single eyeshadow in Pure Skin, and it's literally just a matte skin tone shade that I'm using to highlight with and blend down edges. Basically, what we're doing now is just going through and re-adding color, re-brightening everything back up, deepening everything back up. Wiping away our fallout, and the next shade is this beautiful green. It's called Evil Eye. We're gonna apply that to the lower lash line, and I am in love with this shade here, and if I can work it into every look, I probably will, because it is so beautiful. And this look is so just reminds me of something tropical. A white blue duochrome, and we're applying that in the inner corner. And I said in the last video, if I was going to use this shade again, I would do white first and then apply it over it, but I just wanted it to be like just a light wash of highlight in the inner corner versus stark blue and white. I really love how this look came out. It's just so tropical and spring. So we're going to be tight lining. We want to do a thin line of liquid eyeliner. So I did a full review on that eyeliner. And next up we're using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. And if you notice, we did not put any mascara on our lower lash line because I didn't want to, you know, muddy up our beautiful lower lash line there. Also popped a nude eyeliner in the waterline just so my eyes appear more awake and open. And the lipstick we're using is number 70, Airy from Rimmel. Any nude lipstick will work for this. And literally our look is completely done. I hope you enjoyed it. I love how it came out. We need to set that using the LaColors setting spray and lock it in for all day. And I just love it. It just reminds me of something tropical. Thank you always for watching. Hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorial. We'll definitely try it out for yourself. Definitely check out these Shade Boss single eyeshadows from Sinful Colors. They're awesome. And thank you always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links and a product list. Stay tuned for more makeup tutorials. Thank you guys again for watching.